In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage users and teams in Asana. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go to find people in your organization. Understand the difference between members and guests. Keep an eye on pending invites, and confidently invite new collaborators. Start by opening Asana and heading to your home view so you're oriented in the workspace. Look to the top right and click your profile icon. From that menu, open the admin console. This is the central place where admins can manage people, permissions, and overall access, so it's the best starting point for user and team oversight. Inside the admin console, select the user section. This view organizes everyone connected to your organization and gives you quick tools to find, review, and add people. Front and center, you'll see a search field. Use this whenever you need to locate someone fast. Type a name or email to jump straight to a specific person instead of scrolling through long lists. You'll also notice tabs that separate your user base. The first is members. These are people who belong to your organization, typically with your company domain. Members usually occupy paid seats and have broader access to teams and projects, so it's smart to review this list regularly. Here you can confirm who's active and ensure people are placed appropriately across your workspace. Next, switch to guests. Guests are external collaborators like contractors, clients, or partners. They only see what you explicitly share with them, specific projects, tasks, or messages, and they don't have the same org-wide visibility as members. This tab helps you keep external access clean and intentional, especially if you work with many partners. Move over to Invited. This is your watch list for pending invitations. If someone hasn't joined yet, you can quickly spot it here and follow up with them. Keeping this list tidy prevents orphaned invites and makes sure you're not holding seats for people who haven't accepted. When you're ready to add someone new, click Invite Users. Enter their details, choose the right type of access, and confirm the invite. A quick tip: be deliberate about who truly needs to be a member versus a guest. Assigning the correct role at invite time keeps your seats, billing, and permissions in check. You can always refine team access later as responsibilities become clearer. That's the essential flow: home, profile icon, admin console, users, then search, review members, review guests, check invited, and use invite users when needed. With these steps, you can keep your Asana workspace organized, secure, and ready for smooth collaboration.